All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So between, yeah, in the space that separates things. In between, yeah, in between, yes. I am between a window and my bookshelf. Oh, look at that right there. Perfect. Yeah. I am sat between a window and a bookshelf. Books. Bookshelf. How cool is that? I am between two walls. A wall and a wall. Yeah. A wall and a wall. How cool is that? It can be found between the supermarket and library. How cool is that? Yeah. Okay. Very good. So, I work between, well, okay. I live between two of my neighbors. He went between the people into the crowd. Between the people. It is between the oven and the washing machine. Oven, washing machine, between. Yeah. Oh, I live. Hold on, let's change that. I live. Yeah. I, he, it. So she wants to walk between the forest and the field. Here's the field and here's the forest. She wants to walk between it. Field and forest. Between. I, he, it, she, they always go between the gaps in the sofa. They always fall down there. These small gaps in the sofa. Small gaps. How cool is that? Yeah. The book is between the wall and the folders. So we have a book here. It's between the wall and some folders. Yeah, between them. I'm standing between a tree and a fence. Yeah. We are between the edges of the forest. Here's one forest. Here's another forest. We're right between it. I'm standing between the lanes on the road. On the road here. Standing between the lanes. One lane going this way, other lane going that way. How cool is that? He will put it between the door and the entrance. Yeah. It is somewhere between the entrance and the counter. Counter and the entrance. It's somewhere in between. Between the two things. It is between the two things. Yeah. How cool is that? So between, yeah. So there is a street between the houses on the sides. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use between in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. Yeah. And you can find me on YouTube, Telegram and Facebook when you search English with Adrian. But also you can find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.